The sun is shining, the air is fresh, and the weather is perfect for today's trip. Now driving to McLeodganj, where our trekking adventure begins. Excitement is in the air. We've arrived at our destination just in time to catch the sunset. Walking through the streets, filling the air lively tunes that make every corner tells a story. The city feels warm and welcoming, and every view is a moment to remember and enjoy the live music. In the evening, the mountains stand tall around us, the sky glow in warm shades of gold. As night falls and the city lights sparkle, like showing a peaceful yet vibrant side of this place. It's thrilling, exciting, and truly one of the best moments of my life. Before starting the trek, I stopped to see a beautiful waterfall following peaceful through the mountains. Then comes a first for me zip-lining across the valley. It's thrilling, exciting, and truly one of the best moments of my life. Before the climb begins, I slow down and enjoy a warm cup of coffee at a famous cafe. Now the trek begins. I'm full of energy, excitement, and a little nervous too. This is my first time trekking, and I don't know what lies ahead. Every step feels new, every turn feels challenging. I'm not sure if I will complete it or not, but right now, I'm here. The total distance of the Truind Trek is about 9 kilometers one way. The full round trip is nearly 18 kilometers. Usually take 4 to 6 hours to complete. It's a challenging trek, but the view and experience make every step worth it. At this point, I feel completely tried and stop to take rest. For a moment, I feel like I can't go any further. My body is exhausted and the trek feels tough. But after resting, I motivated myself again. I take a breath and decide, let's do this. I start trekking again and soon reach almost halfway. From here, the view from the mountain is beautiful and peaceful. Standing at this point, I feel relaxed and motivated once again. The journey feels lighter now and keep moving. Finally, I reached the halfway point. I did it. From here, there are still about 3 hours of walking ahead. I'm ready to continue. As evening approaches, seeing other people on the trek ahead, the sun is getting lower. I can't stop now. If I slow down, it will be dark soon. Now I see nature at its best, the view from the top. The city looks small and peaceful. I can see snow-covered mountains. It's an amazing sight. Standing here feels peaceful and rewarding. Almost at top, I pause to enjoy the beauty of nature all around me. The mountain, the fresh air, and the peaceful surroundings make every step worth it. Finally, I reach at my destination. The camp is ready for the night. Now I'm just waiting to see how this place looks like under the sky. Finally, the city below shines with lights, look like magic. I enjoy the live music and the warmth of the bonfire. Last night, the weather turned bad with strong winds. I wake up in the morning and see snow falling everywhere. What a surprise! This moment is so beautiful and unforgettable. I enjoy the snow. It's my first time seeing it.
नीचे कैसे जाएंगी?
और इधर रहना है।
रास्ता तो
एक घंटे
दिखाई
बाद
नहीं
अभी
दे
और
रहा।
बर्फ पड़ेगी, थोड़ा थोड़ा और हो जाएगा। इससे अच्छा टाइम से नीचे कर देते कंटिन्यू।
Now comes the challenging part. Trekking has turned scary.
और कहाँ जाना, नीचे नहीं जाना।
जाएंगे कहाँ से भैया? गल्लू वाले रास्ते से।
I didn't wear snowshoes. My hands are without gloves.
तो पूरे वीक ही गए।
My shoes are slippery. Every step feels risky. But slowly I start trekking back carefully. Finally, I reach a safe spot. There's no snow here. I continue the trek, determined to reach the end. Finally, I safely reach the destination. The trek is over. I enjoy the rain falling on the street, refreshing and full of joy. This trip gave me many memories that I will cherish forever.